Today my video lecture topic is cost optimization of projects. The Military Engineer Service, which is known as MES, which was raised in 1923, is the one of the pillar of Corps of Engineer of the Indian Army, which provide rear line engineering support to the armed forces. It is one of the largest construction and maintenance agency in India. It has a large number of unit and subunit spread across the entire country to provide engineering support to various functions of Army, Air Force, Navy, Ordnance Factory, KV Sangathan, Border Road Organization and DRDO. MES is a military organization but has both army and civilian component of officers and other subordinate staff. While executing all construction works is through contract, execution of all maintenance services are both through contracts as well as departmental employed labor, that is called DEL. The role of MES is dual, to render both engineering advice to and also to execute works. The military engineering service are responsible for design, construction and maintenance of all works, building, airfield, dock installation, etc., along with necessary services such as military roads, bulk water supply, electric supply, drainage, refrigeration and furniture required by the Army, Navy and Air Force in India. The MES function under the overall control of the Engineer-in-Chief, who is the advisor to the Ministry of Defense, and three services on operational and peacetime construction engineering. Engineering-in-Chief is assisted by Command Chief Engineers, Zonal Chief Engineers, and each zone is further divided into CWs and independent Gs. MES is structured to design works which are executed through contracts under the supervision of officers and staff consisting of both civilian and combatant from the Corps of Engineers. It has an integral multidisciplinary team of architects, civil and mechanical engineers, structural designers, quality surveyor and contract specialist for planning, designing and supervision of works of building, hospital, sophisticated and complex laboratories and workshops, high-rise building, airfields, hangars, dockyard and other marine works. It also deals with all associated requirements such as air conditioning, cold storage, electric and water supply, sewage treatment and so on. Most important of all, the facilities, assets and infrastructure created are maintained in a serviceable state and in the same cases operated too by the MES. The list of rules and regulation being followed by MES. Defense Work Procedure 2007, Regulation of MES that is called RMES 1968, ENC Standing Orders, Manual of Contracts 2007, Scales of Accommodation 2009, Scales of Furniture, IAAF 2249, General Condition of Contract, Standard Schedule of Rate that is called SSR Part 1 and Part 2, Estimating Data that is called ED. What is optimization? In simple term, optimization in choosing the input that will result in the best possible output of making things the better that they can be. For the purpose of budgeting and control operation of defense works are divided into two broad categories, namely original work and repairs. For administrative purpose, original works are divided into the following categories. First is minor work, that is called original work costing not more than 1 lakhs. Second is revenue work, original works costing more than 1 lakhs and not exceeding Rs 2 lakhs. Then comes low budget capital works, original work costing more than 2 lakhs but less than 15 lakhs. And major capital works, original works costing 15 lakhs and more. Now original works are further subdivided as follows. Authorized work, work services for which scales are authorized in regulation or by separate order of a journal or specific nature issued by the Government of India are referred to broadly as authorized work. Special works, item of works service not falling within the definition of authorized works are referred as to be special works. These may be approved only when exceptional local conditions justify the necessity or as an important experimental measure Special work should not be approved if the effect would be to introduce new practice or change of scales. Engineer authorities will not be asked to undertake preparation of estimate of a project which includes special item of works unless the competent financial authority has accorded a formal approval in principle of such items. These are 9 main stages in planning, sanctioning, execution of new major works, capital works. First is demand for planning of new works. Second comes acceptance of necessity. Third, preparation of approximate estimate or rough indication of cost. Administrative approval, appropriation of fund or release of funds, technical sanction, tender action, and execution of works. Cost optimization of any project start with the planning stage, selecting site, preparation of estimate, scrutiny of estimate, drafting of tender documents, and execution of works. Following points are to be followed with the policies guideline issued by the headquarter ENC branch New Delhi. In most of the cases, projection of work services are being initiated by user and site is marked by user as per their operational requirement and as per master plan of the organization or station. Scope of work and location of site communicated to MES for preparation of RIC and approximate estimates. Being engineer advisor, MES to brought out difficulties that may arise during the execution stage of work services and request for the site change which may involve high expenditure to develop site for execution well in advance if any. Work out MES external service for total water, electric, AC plant, refrigeration, STP, DG set requirement and firefighting scheme as per CFI's recommendation with proper friction head loss, voltage drop calculation, heat load calculation to determine proper size of pipes, HTLT cables, AC plant, DG set capacity, which will lead to saving in cost of the project. If new station is being proposed to be developed, location of electrical and water supply installation should always be located at center of the load for proper distribution with minimum losses, resulting in saving in project cost. If project is initiated in existing station having infrastructure already developed, utilization of existing transformer and DG sets should be taken into account by rationalization of existing transformer and DG sets in consultation with users will result in necessary increase in inventory and DG sets in consultation with users in unnecessary increase in inventory, maintenance cost in later stage and considerable saving in project cost. Workout estimate considering above point based on the authorization as specified in scales of accommodation and DWP based on SSR and ED rates with latest market variation and restricted area percentage circulated or with rate analysis supported with 3 quotations where SSR and ED rates are not available. Proper scrutiny of estimate prepared by lower formation is also play a key role in cost optimization of project before forwarding it to approval of project. Preparation of schedules with specific technical details, description of item with relevant IS, ISO, BE, star rating, ECBC norms, NBC norms for plotting of tender supported with PS and max of same price range. 70% of the cost optimization of project can be achieved by point explained and balance 30% of cost optimization of project can be achieved during the execution of work services. Handing over site to the contractor in time for timely completion of project. Timely approval of material and max as per technical specification given in schedules and as per PS of tender documents. Preparation of CPM chart and carry out work services accordingly. Testing of material as per CA clause and record it. Maintaining site documents like works diary, site order book, testing register, material and stage passing register, etc. to avoid attribution claims on later stage. Daily supervision, inspection for checking quality of material being used by contractor to check the workmanship as specified in drawings, TD or otherwise directed at site. Timely payment to contractor as and when due as per actual work done at site for timely completion of the project. Thank you. Have a nice day.